Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about the 5 best mechanical keyboards on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and lots of research and have listed them based on quality, durability, performance, price, and more. You can find the purchase link for all the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 1. Razer Ornata Chroma Gaming Keyboard. The Razer Ornata Chroma Gaming Keyboard is a high-performance mecha membrane switch. It provides the tactile feedback of a mechanical key press on a comfortable soft cushion membrane rubber dome switch suitable for gaming. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware Philips Hue and gear from 30-plus partners supports 16 8 colors on individually backlit keys. It is fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. It is ergonomic magnetic wrist rest made of soft touch leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions with built-in magnets for convenient alignment. Its durable construction supports up to 80 clicks backed by a 2-year. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard solves the shortcomings of gaming keyboards on point mechanical switches for 100 million key presses. Its key can be tweaked to meet your desired actuation, from the world's fastest feather-light touches to deep and typo-free presses and anything in between, allowing you to play more accurately, quickly, and confidently. It has an integrated OLED smart display with onboard storage, your integrated command center for on-the-fly info from your game, music, or Discord. It provides software-free customization for tweaking and saving your settings. It has an unbreakable aluminum alloy frame, making it the ultimate keyboard for enthusiasts who do not want to settle. This pre-built unit only has one switch type, but these aren't your ordinary mechanical switches. Its omni-point switches inside use magnets to register key presses rather than a fixed physical mechanism. Number 3. RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 Mechanical Keyboard. The RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 mechanical keyboard has a wireless mode, a stable Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, a hassle-free 2.4 GHz dongle, and a USB-C wired mode that sets no limits to your keyboard connection. The RK61 is best to fit smartphones, laptops, and tablets. This compact mechanical keyboard with 61 keys brings you a neat desktop. You might want to know that a 60% Bluetooth gaming keyboard without numpad is most FPS gamers' choice, with more spaces left for mouse movements. Its hot swap PCB allows you to replace 3-pin/5-pin switches without a soldering issue freely. Enjoy the fun of making your unique keyboard. This RK61 60% mechanical keyboard allows you to use it continuously for about 13 hours with the lightest backlit, up to 360 hours of standby time. RK61 has no multicolored RGB but only single LED backlit. The 17 dynamic backlit modes keep the plain effect away. Number 4. Logitech GPRO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech GPRO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is built with and for sports athletes for competition-level performance, speed, and precision. It has durable GX Blue click switches that deliver an audible and tactile click for a solid, secure key press. It also has an ultra-portable compact 10 keyless design that frees up table space for mouse movement. It's easy to pack up and transport to tournaments. It uses LightSync to highlight keys and program static lighting patterns to onboard memory for tournament systems that don't allow GHUB installations. It comes with detachable micro USB cables with a 3-prong design for an easy, secure connection and safe transport in your travel bag. It includes a 3-step angle adjustment for additional comfort levels, plus rubber feet for excellent stability during intense gaming. It executes a set of complex or timed actions or commands with the press of a button. Number 5. Redragon K582 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K582 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is equipped with pluggable Redragon red switches, which are linear, top-to-bottom switches. These switches require less force to press down, and the keys feel smoother and easier to use. It has 100% anti-ghosting 104 keys ensuring the most accurate simultaneous key presses. Fully programmable, reassign any key or set up the most extreme macros for effortless gaming. It has 6 backlight themes, and 18 backlight models allow you to type in the dark. You can adjust its brightness with FM plus up/down. Arrow key in any non-breathing mode. It comes with a 50 million times keystroke test, a small actuation force, and short travel make it. Solid base with dual injection ABS keycaps design, it is built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. It also comes with a USB golden plated port to ensure the stability of data transmission. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to comment and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next videos.